Here are our new crew members. We do not only expand our team, we have also moved to a brand new distribution center. Today, we are bigger, stronger, and faster to make our customers' lives easier. At Circle K, our operations are now more automated. Thanks to GeekPlus's robots for empowering this change.
It is a substantial challenge to our team. We aim to improve our customer and employees' experience by reinventing our supply chain management with automation technologies.
The AMR robot solution is a force multiplier for daily throughput performance, keeping down the cost of operations and increasing the speed to market. We make it easy, fast, and simple.
At Circle K, we strive our best to provide excellent service to our customers every day through our people and store network.
To provide quality products and services timely and accurately, an efficient supply chain is essential.
We cherish the collaboration with our business partners, and we work closely to offer relevant products and promotions to our customers with good value.
To improve our customers' experience, we have innovated our warehouse management. Not so long ago, things were different. We needed our members to print a list, go through it, walk down between aisles for goods picking, pack in another location, load it to the dock, and then start again. Now, with the pioneer AMR robot technology in the distribution center, 1 million products every day for more than 300 Circle K stores are provided to 600,000 customers every day in Hong Kong. Thanks to our 100 robots and our professional logistic team. The first and the largest automation operations in the grocery industry in Asia.